great German poet Friedrich Hebel once said, "Nothing great in the world has ever been accomplished without passion." My name is Morgan Opp, and I'm going to introduce myself by sharing with you what I'm passionate about. My main passions include helping others, snowboarding, and family. Helping others in any way that I can is something I strive to do. I recently got the opportunity to go to Jamaica on a mission trip. We worked at an orphanage for handicapped children, where I was able to help prepare buildings and interact with the children. I've also been able to volunteer throughout my community. I have worked at Nokomis, which is a child care center, and I've had various opportunities through my church. I've learned that small acts of kindness can go a long way. Helping others can be tough, and sometimes I need a break on the slopes. I'm passionate about snowboarding because it is a unique hobby. I learned to snowboard in 6th grade because my older sister snowboarded and I wanted to be just like her. Learning to snowboard was tough, but I was determined and I never gave up. My favorite spot to snowboard is in Montana at Big Sky Resort. I'm lucky enough to get out there 3 or 4 times throughout the winter because my family is a great support system. I'm also very passionate about my family. My family has helped develop my passions and grow to the person I am today. My family includes my older sister Chelsea and my parents Joe and Gary. My family is very hardworking and they will help me whenever I need it. I also have 2 dogs, Zoe and Montana. Zoe is a Bichon who is 12 years old. She is cute and cuddly but has been blind ever since I can remember. We got Montana last summer. She is a Brittany Spaniel, and I am often envious of her energy. I introduce myself by sharing what I am passionate about. I hope you learn more about me through my passions of helping others, snowboarding, and family. I also hope that my passions have inspired you to think about what you are truly passionate about.